Rotary Club na humanitarian service ki damakta tongan project kaya paikhalakliba si Aphaba Khongthang ni haina wangkai AC ki MLA Thangzam Arunkumar na phongdokhrei wafam asi thabak phangdan leidiba naha singda masana masada thabak pijanaba pandamda paikhatba chicken and egg push cards project launch toba madi beneficiary singda chicken and egg push card khusinabagi thoromda mahangna phongdokhibane Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal amadi Rotary Club of Imphal na sinduna Mantri Pukrida leiba Rotary Multi Service Center ge Rotary babanda pangthokiba thorom aduga mari leinana MLA Thangzam Arunkumar hai Rotary Club na humanitarian service ki damakta tongan project kya pangthokuna lakle mase Aphaba Khongthang ne ngasigi project asidi ataiga manadaba top project amani haina loba yai project asi senate loan ga yamna naknaba yamna su challenging oiba project ni project asi mai pakna bhonabada Rotary Club amadi postcard asigi beneficiary singi achauba kathokpa ama mathautai beneficiary singna ngasi fangliba postcard ase echam chamba postcard ni haina khanbigano masina punsigi achauba khudong chaba amani haina khanbiu haina mahangna makhata khe
successful by saying that I need to be a struggle for the patient friendly me or have see my have to take a Nasi when I successful Mission of War. Chapter Nasi Kabama actor Mahari without to neck I Monaga successful Yaki. I could give man one of them the car like any with education the car like any sensitivity the car like any don't say your car that have been a quick to Indians can get to with my park to say. But the Summa, my park I sincerely with the one of the high body, the Naquina, a city of my park I targeted. Which you should put over the paper, Mapum putting up the city, a strolls in Yamaha, Lambi, the greater man, steps are not going, never put your city. I could survey of the
Ngasigi thoromaduda beneficiary tara da Rotary Club of Imphal City madi Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal gi maikadigi chicken and egg push card tara khushinaki thoromaduda Assistant Governor John 12 Salam Sasidananda Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal gi President Dr. R.K. Ratan Kumar Rotary Club of Imphal City ki President Dr. T.H. Digel Chicken and Egg Push Card ki Project Coordinator Dev Kumar Thaudam amadi atai Rotarian kya susarkya ke